M M M. Letter M. Hi my kids, in a new lesson of English. In this lesson we will recognize a new letter. Let's start our lesson today. Look at this picture. What can you see? Look at this picture. What can you see? Look at this picture. What can you see? You can see mother. You can see mother. You can see mother. Mouth. 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 Mango. 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 Monkey. 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 All of these words begin with the sound M. All of these words begin with the sound M. All of these words begin with the sound M. Listen and repeat. M. Mother. M. Mother. M. Mother. M. Mouth. M. Mouth. M. Mouth. M. Mango. M. Mango. M. Mango. M. Monkey. M. Monkey. M. Monkey. This sound is the sound of the letter M. This letter has two forms. Capital M. This sound is the sound of the letter M. This letter has two forms. Capital M. This sound is the sound of the letter M. This letter has two forms. Capital M and small m. And small m. And small m. At the end, goodbye and good luck. At the end, goodbye and good luck. At the end, goodbye and good luck. Language functions. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I'm Hoda. I'm Hoda. I'm Hoda. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I'm Summer. I'm Summer. I'm Summer. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I'm Tamer. I'm Tamer. I'm Tamer. Exercise. Match